has his bin and he's strapping my bag to the back of my motorcycle. Hey guys, super excited. So just loaded up my bike and now we're loading up my friend's bike and she's gonna be riding with the driver and then we're off.
$500 kilometers we use for fighting. It connected the tunnel system, many entrance there. T1 was destroyed by the Lai 1946 years ago. We were set a lot of the Lai in the jungle before. We will destroy many types of tanks for medical purposes here. M113, M41, the M48, that one. Many motor on the ground. Another one here, family arm with trap, both the side. Tap on, both the side, pedal. We turn around, keep the mission 1 minute. Yeah. And then we do the roller here.
Alright, so we're through the Chu Chi tunnels and there's my friend. Ow. And we have to squat like this. She keeps bringing out more stuff. This is like a pork thing, another pancake. So much food. Alright guys, so we're off again and we are heading inland to the river and we're going to take a boat across the river. Alright guys, so I'm going up this little ramp. They're loading my bike up onto the ferry. Bringing the bikes off. Guys, I know this is faux pas, but I'm literally going 10 kilometers an hour, but this is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. So we're stopped at a rubber plantation, and this is really cool.
Yeah. Right now you have to cut like that, you know? Yeah, you see, it's coming.
What comes out?
Yeah.
Rubber.
Yeah, the rubber. Yeah.
I guess
really
I always
cool.
thought it was like a man-made product.
Yeah, and then you have to waiting for a bit, and then.
Oh my goodness, how far is it
You know?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
And so strong.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Look at it bubbling.
Yeah. See, from that.
That's so crazy.
Yes. That here the plan.
We made a stop and we're on the Ho Chi Minh Trail and this bridge was bombed in 1974. And I'm walking right over to the edge.
No, not with me in it.
Hey guys, so we made it to our first stop and this is my room. We each got our own separate rooms, but how cute is that? Here's my view, not quite a view, but did I happen to mention it's downpouring rain? So we were riding in the rain for the last 2 hours. But super awesome. I'm so excited for this trip. So day 1 of 7, we're doing 7 days down the Ho Chi Minh or up the Ho Chi Minh Trail. It's looking like it's gonna rain a lot, but my bike is pretty solid. There's like 20 kilos on it on top of it's a heavy bike anyway. Definitely feels so much nicer than a scooter. The scooter feels like a death trap, and this I just feel solid on and safe on. But anyway, that's our day. Morning guys, so day 2 of our motorbike tour, and on my bike is a adapter for my GoPro, so I'm gonna add that on today. Okay, our first stop, he's showing us lemongrass.
But really, really nice, you know. Really,
God, even the leaves smell.
yeah, it smell. Yeah.
Just pulled out on the side of the road. He's showing us some castle nut.
Inside, you know.
Oh, they make wine inside this.
Yeah.
Let me smell.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a cashew nut.
Cashew
So there's
nuts.
cashew
Very
nuts.
expensive.
Cashew nut trees.
Yeah, very expensive. Yeah.
So we are at a cashew factory, and these ladies are opening them.
Yeah, opening. Yeah. You see that?
Wow.
Yeah.
Craziness. So like shelling them.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Level. Big one like this.
Mounds of cashew nuts right here. And the other area where these ladies are sorting. Hey guys, so we're stopped for lunch, but we wind up driving in the rain. So this is actually from my poncho. It's not sweat. It's cold. And we're having tea to warm up.
We see green tea, okay? Plantation. Oh, awesome, huh?
Thank. Alright, they keep bringing out more food. This is chicken with curry with another egg. I don't. What is this?
You know,
Pork and they're bringing morning glory. Oh, I love morning glory. This is like a pickled.
we got
dish.
it. We got it.
Yeah. Alright, this is how I'm rolling. She's in pajamas back there, both of them, and I've got this huge poncho thing. Here we go. These are peanut plants.
Yeah, yeah, đây. Cho nó thêm ít thêm xíu nữa cho nó. Yeah, you see it.
Okay guys, so we just stopped and we are at a tea plantation or tea place.
Yeah, they hear a lot the coffee bean, you know. Come here to see, yeah. Huh? You see that?
Oh, they're gooey.
Yeah, kiwi. Yeah, yeah. You see? That's here the coffee bean.
So we're stopped for the night, and I'm showered and getting ready to go meet everybody downstairs for dinner. Today was an awesome day. Things that happened that I didn't capture on Snapchat was when we stopped at the cashew nut factory, the kids were playing soccer and I went to go hit the ball. Because it's been raining and muddy, fell right on my ass and made great entertainment for the kids today. Excitement that we had today, we got actually pulled over by the police because my guide has been flying through these hills. 85 kilometers per hour, which is about 53 miles an hour, but we're weaving through like back roads, and granted there was nobody out fast enough for them to clock us about like 2 kilometers ahead of time and then stop us down the road. And I don't have a motorbike license. Hours later, we get off pretty much with a hand slap, and he's now going a lot slower after I scolded him. He's cooking us dinner, and it looks like it's a fried chicken, and she's also doing rice.
You see all these people sell a lot on the road.
Getting avocado. So we're right outside the waterfall gate, and we stopped to eat the avocado, and of course I'm going all California with some salt and some lime. Not nearly as mushy as California, but still pretty good. Alright, so we just parked the bikes, and now we are hiking to a waterfall. The fairy waterfall, right? Fairy pond?
Yes.
We hear it.
Beautiful, huh? River. Not easy. Maybe we walk again. Yeah. We come up.
Hey guys, so a bit of a bust. Here it is. We climbed back up because the current's really strong and the water's really, really dirty. So no waterfalls today up close. Alright guys, so we're trying a different way. We're going to try to go down to some pools that look pretty nice, and this is a little bit safer to go down. Like actual steps, although it's like 50 meters straight down, which is going to be a bitch getting back up. Oh well. Fairy pool. Lunchtime, so we got some classic spring rolls, and it's some spring rolls with beef. We've got some pork and some bamboo. We're at another waterfall. They call this the Niagara of Vietnam. Look, there's a wedding going on. Bad lighting. A bit of a cow detour. This is Monkey Bridge, and it's wobbly with some holes in it. I feel safe. Cooking dinner. This is squid. Squid on the Barbie. And we're off.
Coffee, you know? It's that here Arabica coffee. On the road you see how different, you know?
Okay.
How
So we're on day 3 of the motorbike tour, and behind me these are coffee bean plants, and we're pretty much touring a lot of coffee places. They grow both Arabica and Robusto here, and then we're also going to go see some small villages and where they grow pepper. It's been raining most days, but we're only going 170 kilometers today, and we're kind of like stop and go in between, but right now it's kind of just drizzling. We're hoping it holds out. Hey guys, so a little soaked. We're taking a stop for a tea break at just some random local place and rain out the rain a little bit. We pretty much concluded it's going to be this way all day, riding in the rain. We stopped for a lunch break, and it looks like we've got some soup, some pork, and some more pork, and rice. Alright, we're pulled over. We're going to see some tapioca plants. This is gorgeous. We're walking through the tapioca. Look at all this. Pulling it out.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes. They have a lot inside.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. You eat in.
Choo-choo.
Oh, they have for the.
We're in black pepper plants,
pesticide.
and they definitely
pesticide.
taste like
You
pepper.
know pesticide?
They're really yummy.
Yeah, pesticide. You have.
So the owner of our hotel is having us try durian,
Yes.
which is my 3rd time trying durian, but Kristen hasn't.
Đồ nào vườn này.
Yeah,
Không có
in
thuốc
Fin
đâu
for
sợ.
her farm.
Đây
Yeah.
là nguyên chắc không có ủ, không có thuốc.
No. Yeah, good. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, my 3rd country, and
Oh.
I still don't like durian. Don't like durian. Not my favorite. Tons of deer that we're feeding.
Yeah. Or maybe I can.
Slow, too slow.
On to the pigs. Look at this guy.
Look at you.
Guys, so we've stopped, and right behind me is green tea everywhere in the rain.
Terus bikin mati, mana?
Gulina. Ah, yeah. The kids.
Yeah.
The kids.
Pencil. That. Yes. Book. Okay, book. Please.
Hey guys, so we've stopped, and this is called Monkey Bridge. People ride their motorbikes across this, not doing it. At least it's stopped raining, and this countryside is just beautiful. We're driving up in the mountains. Pulled over to take a look at the mountains. Yes, I'm walking in the middle of the road. Okay, so last day of motorbike tour, and we pulled over because look at this gorgeous view. Oh.
Look at that face he's making.
Alright guys, we are on somebody random property, and it's a pineapple farm. Nice, small pineapple.
Very small. I really enjoyed it.
The farmer is cutting some for us to try.
Yeah. Flour after that here they have like here and they cut there. Then they have to dry out in the sun.